Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. You understand that Treasury Consulting Group is a Singaporean multinational headquartered group. We own our own prop desk, and there are many other things which we are doing, like news desk, our video trainings, our audio trainings, and there are so many things which we are doing, and so many projects are on the cards. You also understand that Treasury Consulting Group FX Desk is basically having a subscription of Thomson Reuters, which is the world best financial terminal, and at the same point of time we are having subscription which is known as Bloomberg TV. And our analysis on time to time basis, we come on YouTube and do our analysis. In that regard, Treasury Consulting Group is now making a lot of changes in the FNO Learnings Academy. FNO stands for Future and Option Learnings Academy. But first of all, I would like to make one thing very clear, which is that this Learning Academy is definitely not a trading setup. It is not a trading, which means you buy this, sell this, something like that. It is a Learnings Academy, real life Learnings Academy. And in this Learnings Academy, we would be covering the FNO, Future and Options. We would be covering FNO strategies, and we would be covering FNO indexes, and so many things we would be covering. So we have decided our FNO Learnings Academy in such a way, which is that we would be covering plain vanilla FNO, future and option. We would be covering FNO strategies. We would be covering FNO options and different type of products. We would be covering indexes. From a hardcore Indian angle, we would be covering Nifty, and we would be covering Bank Nifty and many other products. This Learning Academy now would be launching some or other videos on the YouTube, but let me show you what all we would be covering in detail. This is, you can see what all we would be covering is there. Number one, it is a 1 year course. Now 1 year course means we need to cover everything in 1 year. So we have divided this into quarter wise so that we can track. In quarter one, we would be covering basics of FNO, FNO type, FNO strategies, and open interest. This is we are planning in the quarter one. Quarter two, moderate FNO trainings, option strategies like risk reversal, call spread, and all. In quarter three, we would be covering advanced FNO trainings, option strategies, Seagull, back spread, ratio spread, and all. Quarter number four, analytical review of FNO strategy and live trading strategies. Live trading means that when the market is going on, we will take up the data and we will do the live testing. We will not do the trading, we will do the live testing for the educational purpose. What all we would be covering: range forward, importer, exporter, Seagull, call spread, straddle, strangle, back spread, ratio back spread, butterfly spread, synthetic options, and so many things we would be covering. There are many messages which we received from the youngsters that they wanted to participate in that regarding the pricing. So we have decided to keep pricing at very affordable level. Number one, there are two options. Option number one is it is rupees 1700 per year, but only 1 hour of training per month. And when I say training, we are going to be doing live Reuters. Let me remind you. Option number two, we would be covering rupees 2000 per year. In this, we would be having 2 hours of training, per month. So in option 1 we would be covering 1700, in option 2 we would be covering 2 hours per month. So practically speaking, if we speak in option 1, it's around 1712 hours plus 12 hour of trainings plus material. In option number 2, we would be charging 2000, which is 24 hours plus material. Rest details we have already shared on our fixed income platform. If you need the link, you can WhatsApp here. This is the number. If you need the link, you can WhatsApp here. Thank you very much and have a great time ahead. The first session is happening very soon, probably this week, or I think by Thursday or Friday, first session is happening. Have a great time ahead. Thank you so much.